Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download images from Google to Gallery. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to the browser's homepage. Here, search for the image you would like to download and open it up. For this tutorial, I will download the logo of Gmail. Once you have opened the target image, simply tap and long press on it and a menu will appear. Inside this menu, there will be a feature called Download Image. Tap on it and it will start downloading. Once the downloading is completed, you can see that image is now available in my device's gallery. So that's basically how you can download images from Google to Gallery. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.